Welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm Miss Melissa, and today I'll be reviewing the collector's box for Red Dead Redemption 2. Most people who know me know I am an avid gamer, and Red Dead is one of my favorite games because I do love me some cowboys. So this was a recent gift, and I did open it, but I thought it'd be a good idea to share it with viewers for anybody who's interested in buying this for themselves or as a gift. Now the collector's box does come in this really nice cardboard box, but once you open it, it does reveal a safe inside. And the cardboard flap opens up to reveal the lock. Now this lock was originally inside the metal case, so I did take it out and lock it, but let's see if I can get this out. There we go. Now, came with a little key. I believe it's a small barrel key. I did tie a suede string to it. So the first time I opened this was pretty tough, but once it opened, it did become easier. So let's take this off. Set that aside. So this is a nice metal. I do have one from another game, and that's lasted quite a few years. So this is pretty nice. Let's move this to the side. As you can hear, it's pretty heavy. So when you first open it, it has another box. And the first thing you see is the catalog when you order your costumes, weapons. So here's the empty box. The quality is really nice. This is nice cardboard cover. It's pretty smooth. The pages are a little thin, but it's the same ones you see in the game, which I think is really cool. And you can see the artwork and the text. The next thing is a bandana with the Red Dead Redemption 2 logo on there. This I probably will never open, so it'll be staying in this plastic. Next is one of the maps. This feels like a really nice thin parchment paper that's printed to look stained, so this is really neat. So these are one of the treasure maps. I don't recall if I got this one. I'll have to check again. Okay, next there's really nice boxes. This is challenge coin for a lot of the challenges in the game. See if we can open this. Okay. And we have a nice collector's glass with the coin. Let me see. These are magnets, so they do open up. There we go. So the coin does come out. It says Rockstar Games there. The little plaque here says, powerful symbol of the American frontier, the American bison were hunted to near extinction in the late 1800s. So that's going right back. And it's a little suede spot here. As you can see. Next here is, actually let me take this out. Now at first when I took this out, that was for the challenge coin. I did realize it was heavy. So if you open up the side here, there's even more goodies. So here we have a little red dip pouch, drawstring pouch. And I hear something in there. So here we have a bunch of pins. The lock and key was also in this pouch, as you can see here. Oops. Okay, here we go. So here we have a small hunting knife. That looks like a shotgun. Here we have a cross, a wooden cross. That looks like a revolver there. Actually, this looks like the shotgun here, and this is the rifle. My bad. And a tomahawk axe. These are some of the weapons in the game. Not bad, pretty nice. So I don't see myself using these, but I will put them right back. Oh, here's the other side of the drawstring pouch. Nice canvas bag. And more goodies inside. So here we have a pack of cigarette cards. I think it's one card from each set, since there were a total of 144 in the game. So let's, which I did not find. So let's see what we have here. Dr. Hawthorne's domestic brand cigarettes. Now these are really thick cardstock, you can hear. Pretty nice. Here we have one of Valentine and all the other cards in the set for American cities, or cities of America. Maud Engle, 4 Gems of Beauty, Oleander Sage for Wild Flora, Stars of the Stage, Coral Snake, Hot Air Balloon, so these cards look exactly like they do in the game, and probably accurate to when they were printed back in the early 1900s or late 1800s, where this game took place. So this is pretty cool. So for now, they're staying in this box. If I could set up a nice frame for these, I will do so in the future. So back they go. So this is a deck of cards. Open this. Oh dear, I hate opening new box. There we go. So these are pretty nice. Does feature some artwork from the games. Now, these particular illustrations I did not see in the strategy guide. So these are pretty new, which is really nice. For each suit, there's regular pictures here. So we have Javier as Jack, Karen as Queen, and Dutch as King. Who else do we have here? John is a Jack, Charles is King, and wait, who's Queen? Abigail. So we have Lenny, Sadie, and Arthur. And for the last one, we have Bill, Tilly, and, oh dear, missing King. Let's see. Oh, two kings. Micah. That's the one we're missing. So these are really good quality, really beautiful artwork. Flawless printing on packaging on the paper. Alright, that's going back in here. Oh, let's put the canvas guy back. And lastly, we have here a map puzzle. Saint Denis. Let's see, it's a 100-piece puzzle. So, let's see how big this is. Oh. So on the inside lid here we have a map. I assume this is what the puzzle will look like completed. We have the bag of puzzle pieces, which are pretty enormous. Rockstar Games, New York City, 1998. So I'm assuming, let's see. This is a two-sided puzzle. Great. So I do love me some puzzles. This will be done, but I will have to find a way to display it so both sides can be seen. So this looks pretty fun. It probably won't take me very long, but you can check that out in another video. My review is not much of a review as it is to show you what the collector's box comes with. Now, since it was a gift, I do not know how much it cost, but I love it and I think it's worth it for any fan of the game. And the quality is superb. It's really good. So most of this will stay in the box for now. And I will be putting this back. In the same order I took it out from. So there you have it. So if you want to get this as a gift for a friend, I will tell you they will love it. If you want to get it for yourself, I think it's totally worth it. Even for the metal box, this would last a lifetime. There we go. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like Red Dead as much as I do. And I'll see you next time.